Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing well and they enjoyed and that all of you guys enjoyed your spring break. So this is now week 13. So by now you should know that all of your assignments are in Schoology under materials, and they are separated by weeks. So this is week 13 from 413 to 417. You can click on the folder and then it'll give you the two assignments that you have this week. So you have 13.1 practice test on transformations of functions. So you are to complete this assignment first and then you can do the test. I will not enable the test until Wednesday. So I need to make sure that you guys are do the practice test first. So you're going to do the practice test. If you have questions, please make sure that you reach out to me through Schoology or to our co-teacher, and please make sure you get help before doing the test. So the test, it will be timed. You only get one try and it goes directly into your grade book. So hope this helps. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of your week.